Hey friends in the agricultural and chemical industry, welcome to Jiangxi Qisheng Chemical Co. Ltd., a professional manufacturer specializing in agricultural adjuvants and specialty chemicals. With over 15 years of industry experience, we operate a modern 30,667 square meters production facility under strict ISO 9001 quality management standards. Supported by an experienced R&D team and advanced manufacturing equipment, we are committed to delivering innovative, stable, and high-performance solutions for global customers. From raw material selection to final inspection, every production step is strictly controlled to ensure reliable quality and consistent performance. We also provide professional packaging and efficient global logistics services to ensure safe, timely delivery worldwide. Professional manufacture, reliable quality, global cooperation. Jiangxi Qisheng Chemical Co. Limited.